Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a customer support AI agent which can answer questions of any kind of business. In this video I took a nursery as an example. I gave my AI agent this nursery information. This is a fictional nursery. It has some address, it has some working hours and other prices and so on. And I gave this information to my AI agent, and now he can answer any questions about this nursery. Now let me demonstrate the actual agent. So I put my agent into a Telegram bot. You can install this AI agent to any kind of social media, Instagram, WhatsApp, even TikTok. It's actually a very great deal for any kind of business out there, because nowadays all the clients come from social media. So let's start our bot. We click start, and then right away it's already answering. It says I'm the customer support and so on. So we can ask about, let's ask about prices. What are the prices? It gives this information 300 to 180. Let's check. As you can see, it's matching. So let's ask about years, right? For example, which years, or let's say my son is 9 months. Do you accept? Let's be short. You see, it says, I'm sorry, we accept only from 1 till 5 years. So as you can see, it's from 1 till 5 years. So it's very smart, and you can build this kind of bot also by yourself. So let me show you how you can create one. I created this bot in n8n platform. Here's the visual representation of my bot, but we're gonna create from scratch. So I'm going to turn off this bot so that you understand that it's turned off. So if we say something, it will not respond. So let's go back to n8n. So you need to register on this n8n platform, then click workflow, personal, and then you'll have a new blank workflow. First of all, we need to click this plus button, and then we need to search for Telegram. And inside Telegram, we need to choose on message. So let's choose on message, and then we need to choose our bot. And then we already can test this out. So we click test, and then he saw our message. We see we wrote hi here, and now he accepted this message hi. So I suggest you to pin this message so that you don't have to test write anything to the bot. You can pin this by clicking on this button, so it's easier for testing. The next step is to, now you received the message right from the bot. Now you need to feed this message to an AI agent so that he can answer. So we click this button and we add our agent. So you need to choose this AI agent. Then you need to click here and click define below. Here we will put our own message. So we need to pick whatever message we are getting from Telegram. We will just use our mouse to drag and drop. So we chose this text because it says hi. You see, this message is stored in this text property. So we drag this text property here. As you can see, we don't write any code. It's just drag and drop. Then we gave this message to the agent. It says hi, like it's showing us the actual value from our test payload. Now, next step is to give AI agent an instruction how to handle this message. So in order to do that, we click here and then click here, system message. Here we need to write instruction, a prompt for the AI agent, what to do. And I already prepared for you a prompt. You can just copy paste. Here it says you're an agent, you're an assistant, answer questions and so on. We just copy and paste this information here. Also, below of this message, I will put all the information that I have about the nursery. I will copy and paste here. Okay. Now our AI agent already knows everything about our nursery. Next step is to add the model. We can add any type of model. What is model? Model is the large language model which can understand whatever message we sent to him and answer. Okay, So as you can see, these are available models. Even there's DeepSeek now. And let's add OpenAI, because that's the most popular one and one of the most smart ones. We choose the model 4.0 because that's the latest cheap smart model 4.0. Now let's, by the way, test it out. Let's click test and it will respond to that hi message. You see, we can see the output of this AI agent. It says, hello, how can I assist you today? So it's basically answering my hi message, which is located here. Okay, so next step is to give this output to Telegram to answer this person. In order to do that, we need to send a message to Telegram. So we click here and choose Telegram, and then we will choose send a text message, this one. Here we need to provide chat ID and text. Chat ID is the unique number of a person. We can get it from our input here. You see ID, this is the chat ID. We will just drag and drop it here, and then we will provide text. Text is AI agent text, right? So these are the nodes that we have. AI agent's response, its output we'll put here. So now our bot is ready. We can save it. By the way, I forgot to choose the right bot. I will choose my bot here, and then save, and then activate. Now it will work. Let's test it out. Let's say hi again. Yeah, it's giving us this NA10 like an ad. Let's remove it. In order to remove it, we double click here, add field, append NA10 attribution, remove it, save. Now it should not add it. Yes, let's ask questions. Where are you located? As you can see, it's answering properly. So that's it. We created our agent. As you can see, there is no coding. It's very easy. It's just drag and drop. Nowadays, you're very lucky. We are very lucky to have this kind of tools, low code, no code tools. Because before, in order to do this, you would have to write a lot of code. It will take a lot of time. But now you can create such bots and earn actually money, because a lot of businesses need this kind of AI agents. And if you have this knowledge of creating AI agents and creating custom AI agents for those companies, you can earn actually a lot of money. You can create your own agency. I teach people how to create such AI automations and agents, and most of the time what I've noticed is that a lot of people, basically they know what to do, but when they actually start creating such a bot, they will have a lot of issues. Something will not work, they will be confused, and they will have questions, and most of the time they need support. That's why I have this community where you can join and you can get support from me and my assistant. So whenever you are stuck or something like that, you can ask questions and we will support you. In that community, I will be also uploading lessons so that you can learn creating AI agents from scratch. So if you're serious about learning this stuff from scratch and if you need support, you can join my closed community and get support. Thanks for watching my video. If you're interested in this topic, please subscribe, because I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos on this topic. I have a lot of cases. I have an AI agency where we create such automations for different businesses, and we see a lot of use cases which I will be sharing in this channel. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.